Apple fans, it's almost time. If you've been waiting to test out the latest features in iOS 26, iPadOS 26, and beyond, the wait is nearly over. Apple is gearing up to launch its public beta versions, and we've got the exact timing, what to expect, and how you can get early access, all in this video. Let's dive in. Here's when to expect the iOS 26 public beta. Apple is preparing to release the public beta versions of its major upcoming software updates, and according to Bloomberg's Gurman, they are expected to go live on or around Wednesday, July 23, 2025. That means by next week, users will likely be able to test out the new features in iOS 26, iPadOS 26, macOS 15 Sequoia, and more. Public betas expected to launch, iOS 26, iPadOS 26, macOS 15 Sequoia, watchOS 11, tvOS 18, HomePod software version 18, AirPods firmware update, expected for select models. However, Apple has confirmed that visionOS 2, the software powering the Apple Vision Pro, will not have a public beta available this time. Who can join the public beta? Anyone with a supported Apple device can sign up for free through the Apple Beta software program at beta.apple.com. Once enrolled, you'll be able to download and install beta builds for supported devices. Important, always back up your devices before installing any beta software. Public betas are unfinished versions of the software, and bugs or stability issues can occur. Developer beta access. All of these updates are already available in the developer beta channel. While Apple previously charged $99 per year for access to developer betas, they've since made it free for anyone with a standard Apple developer account. However, public betas are typically more stable and recommended for general users.